Hello everyone, my name is Sanya. I'm a little nervous but very excited to start my new journey. Let me tell you a little about myself. I live in Delhi and pursuing my graduation in political science. My study is different, but but I want to become a cabin crew. So today I'm starting my journey of to be a cabin crew. So, actually, I went to apply for a passport, but I'm facing some problem right now. I will share you my problem in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and join me on my journey. Thank you. Bye.